What an insanely beautiful day. I'm in Carlisle. It's so nice out. I cannot stress enough. I'm enjoying this weather. I'm lackadaisically making my way through all my stops. I just went to Northgate and now I'm at Bedford Street. I'm looking for stuff for Whatnot and Etsy, and I'm being super thrifty because I want to get to as many places as I can, and the cheaper the better, right? These are really fun. Love the glasses. What? 3 for $1. I guess they're missing some of their graphics there. Of course, I love this ashtray. 22 is a little high for resale, but oh, I thought it said $1.17. That's more like it. I was gonna say, look at the fish ring holder. That's kind of fun too. 18. Oh, I love this stuffed owl. 27. Oh, it's a little bit too much for me. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever seen this case change. I don't want anyone to see this because I want it, but I will never pay that much for it. It's $225. I've been admiring that thing for 3 years. And also that cat pin. It's insanely expensive though. This vendor has pretty much the most fun stuff ever, but really high prices. Hold on, let me get on the other side and see how much all this stuff is. So it's not actually as insanely high as I thought it would be. Fair if I was buying it for myself. The 25 for the paired. Well, that's just a single shaker. 20. That's a little high for that pie one. The apple's 25. And oh my gosh, I just wish I could have all of this, honestly. But alas, I can't. I really want that rhinestone bangle. Well, there's a couple things going on in here. One, look at the poodle pin. Can you see the one with the flower? $5 each. I'm gonna go through that box, and then I've also kind of decided that I'm gonna do something for myself. I want to start collecting plastic bangles because some of the ones that I have are metal, and when I go to the desert this summer, I don't think I'm gonna want metal. So I'm trying to get, I have a friend that does has a bunch of celluloid and Bakelite ones that are incredible. Obviously, I'm too cheap for all that, but I see some in here that I'm interested in, especially that black and white one. I think it says $10. Oh my gosh, I'm like not even showing it. So I think I'm gonna get in this case. Wait till you guys see some of the poodle pins I picked out. I did get a couple bracelets, not the one that was with the polka dots because it was brown and white. I thought it was black and white, but still, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. This thing is hilarious. Oh, look at these fun Easter trinkets. $10, no discount. Okay, so these seashell things really don't sell well for me, as I've said in the past, but this one's quite fantastic. They're also so fragile. I get nervous. I've only bought like 1 or 2 ever, and they ended up getting damaged. Not in shipping. I bought them for my booth, and it didn't sit well in there. What is this fabric? This is fabulous. This booth was not here. The first thing I'm going for is this cat. How cool. $12. It's a hobbyist piece, but I kind of love it. And it looks exactly like the pieces, even though it's not. It looks very similar to the pieces that are pretty expensive. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up for, it's like a discount TV cat. Now, I'm also really into this little mosaic trinket tray. $8, and I love the fact that it's got the glitter in that. I wonder how well this would sell. I'm a little nervous about it. $8. Seems like it might be close. And I've seen this whale. Oh, I'm just realizing this is probably the same booth that moved. No, because this is only $6, the whale bank. I think I have to get that too. It's fantastic. Oh my gosh, wait, how did I not see this right in front of me? Wow, I'm so embarrassed. I'm gonna get the whale, but this fish is only $5? Oh my gosh, I need a basket stat. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. I love this decanter. I saw like one of these the other day, 15. It seems super fair, but more than I'd like to spend. Saw one of those the other day and was super into it. This is an excellent ashtray. Oh my gosh. The green hobnail is so much fun. Definitely more than I would like to spend. Just in general. Whoa, look at these trays though. These are so cool. $4 each. I kind of feel like I can't stomach splitting those up because they look West Bend, very similar to those retro ashtrays. $8, I'm grabbing both. So I was about to head upstairs when I was distracted by all these super fun spring colors. And then this Disney chalkware thumper rabbit. And it's in pretty decent condition. I mean, it's got like a little nick of paint missing here and there. $7.50. That's pretty fantastic. I've never seen one like it. Yeah, Disney, it does have some chips. But $7 and 20%. I think I'm gonna forgive it. Oh, majestic cat portrait pen, $5. Yes, these are one of my favorite things to find. I actually have a few of these in my own collection. Even though I don't keep that much stuff, every once in a while I see something and I'm like, man, that is too weird to not keep. But also, look at this. It's a little polka dot deer pin with rhinestone eyes. We're gonna get both of those. And now that I'm looking, we have like a whole rack of cat pins. That one's pretty cool. It's got a little luster to it. What does it say? Just says cat pin. I'm trying to read the price. Yeah, so this one is $4. I'm gonna get that one too. And then how much is this one? This one's $8. That one's contemporary, but still, I might pick it up. I'm a little unsure if I'm sold on that. I'm still kind of going through these vintage ones. Horse. What's this? Oh my gosh, this one moves. Stop. That is epic. $4. Its head wobbles. That's so funny. I'm gonna grab that. And here's another one of the enamel metal ones. This one's only $2. I'm gonna take this as well. It's my favorite time. It is upstairs time. The best. Look at this blow mold. It's a bank, I think. Yeah, that is hilarious. So it looks like I've caught them right as they are about to wrap up restocking. There's a lot of stuff that I like, but nothing that's really sticking out to me. This is very cool. This wheelbarrow pin cushion. Oh, I kind of like the look of this, even though it's worn. It's a really neat color. Well, I was originally gonna ignore it, but see, $6. Why is she only $6 as is? Is it just because she's missing some paint? Oh, she's a little busted. Still, that's really fair. I wouldn't mind. Yeah, a lot of this vendor stuff is really fantastic, but kind of close. I was going for this Santa Rolly thingy. Oh, it's a candle. That's so funny. It looks like one of those Rolly toys. This is kind of neat. Huh. $9. It's new. Handmade in Peru. It's still very cool. I kind of want to pick it up, even though it's not really something I would do. It's pretty cool. I'm a big fan. I'm gonna pick it up. Well, forgive me because I'm gonna totally butcher this. There you go. I've already started butchering. It's Chalucanas, and they sell for around $20-some, and I just think it's so neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. All right, and let's see. What about these? How much are these? $10. Not bad. This one's kind of cute. Or pretty, I should say. Whatever. I need to lay off using cute as much as I do. Because some things I pick up are like really, really just cute. There's that elephant lamp I like so much. Oh, let me unwedge myself. So I also just picked up this Lefton poodle planter. It's been a while since I've had one of these because I just feel like they are usually pretty overpriced. But this one's only $7 and it's a really awesome size, so I'm gonna grab that. I also can't help but notice this pink set. Oh, it's really pretty. It's missing its lid. $18. That's more than I'd like to spend on that. What is this? Oh, that feels like it might be like a clock, actually. I don't want that. Fantastic. I only spent $85 in there. not including just like a little Bakelite bracelet I got for myself. It's just like a dainty one. It was only 12 bucks. So I'm gonna hop in the car. I think we're gonna go to Chambersburg next. I'm not really sure. Running across the road so you don't hit me. I'll see you guys when I get there.